So, after I study, I will go to my friend house.
Hi, Jane.
Hi, Rousen.
How are you?
I am fine, thank you.
Do you know that tomorrow we will have an exam?
No, I don't know. Can you study with me for the exam?
Yes, of course I can study with you. Jane, what is x times 2 is equal to 20?
Is it 10?
Yes, it is 10. We studied a lot, so, of course you will take full mark.
Yes, thank you. You can now go home if you want.
No, I will stay with you today.
Okay, let's sleep now, it's too late, it's night.
Okay.
We studied a lot for the exam, Jane. Yes, Rousen. So, do you wonder what will we get in our exam? No, I don't know, but I hope we get full mark. So, the one who gets full mark is Rousen, Jane, and Ava, so, congratulations for them.
I am very happy that we get full mark.
Me too.
So, as you see, we finished our story My Daily Routine Part 2. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you. Bye. Love you. Love you. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.